Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Instead of making a knife or doing some blacksmithing, we're not going to watch TV. We're going to do a little smashing. Got this 50-inch plasma behind me, and me and my son are going to smash the crap out of it. You ready? So stick around to the end. So you're going to want to see some slow-mo TV smashing. Glasses on, and I'm very curious. I've never smashed a flat screen TV before, so I wonder what it's going to do. What do you think it's going to do, bud? You think it's going to make a big loud noise?
Probably.
Yeah? Alright guys, ready? First we're going to do 8-pound maul right into the screen of it. 1, 2, feels loose. Ready, bud?
Yep.
Alright, grab a hammer and have at it.
Okay. Okay, wait, where?
Anywhere you want. Hit it right in the corner. Smash it. Holy cow. Hit it. Should we try the sharp side?
Sure.
See if I can go right through it?
Yep.
Oh. See, that's why I put the tarp down. You don't want glass in your driveway.
Yeah.
Hit it. Want to try the big one?
Sure.
Be careful, it's 8 pounds. Here.
Okay.
Swing it kind of like a baseball bat. Put the flat side down. There you go. Now stand like this
Okay.
so you don't hit your feet. There you go. Have at it, buddy.
Oh, there's 2 layers in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Come on. So you can kind of see the layers on the inside. That's pretty neat, huh? It's like, I won't. It's almost like safety glass, like there's a piece of film of plastic over it. That must be where the plasma is, like inside this, because this is plastic. Then it has this weird glass. Huh.
Can we go around the edges and see if we can take out the whole screen?
Okay, go ahead. Hit it.
Right on the edges.
Yeah. Stand with your legs like this so though you don't hit your feet.
Oh gosh.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna stand. Let me get a close up. Hold on. Nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't chop your toes off.
I won't. That's so funny.
Nothing. It's awesome.
Okay.
The other camera's still rolling, bud?
Yeah.
Batter's up.
Holy cow! Here. Oh, nice.
Check out what kind of speakers they have. Shield down.
What do you do?
All right, a few more smashes and
Oh my
she's about
goodness,
dead
yeah.
here.
If you go over here,
I want to see what's on the inside. So there's the one layer. Then it has panels. Oh, that's really weird. That feels almost like tar paper on a roof. It's kind of crumbly. It's weird. And then just more. Hold on one second. Let me get a dustpan to collect all that glass.
okay, that's a lot.
I know. I don't want to get all over the driveway.
Hey Dad, why is there holes here?
Is that part of the speaker?
Don't know.
Yeah, I think there's a speaker back there too. Alright, let me see if I can pull this off here. Make sure your shield's down. Go ahead, go for it, bud.
Right now?
All right.
Oh gosh. Can I try with the big one? Here, let me try that again.
Nice.
This is coming off, Dad.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me. Okay, one more.
One more, we'll call it. Ooh, there. Now you can see the speaker.
Okay, can we do this one? I want to see if
Go
we can
ahead, hit it
do
once.
this.
Okay, I want you to chop your toes off. Stop. Okay, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about the TV or any smashing devices, leave a comment, subscribe, like, stick around for the 100 subscriber giveaway. See ya!